I have this beautiful brochure from JLL advertising 77 Gracechurch Street for sale in the City of London back in 2017. There is a lot of information in the PDF and I hope to use that information to help me create a financial appraisal of the property in Excel. The data that interests me the most is the tenancy schedule, since this is what will help me model the income projection. The tenancy schedule is on page 12. But what is really exciting is that I can call this PDF and extract all the data I need, all from within Excel. In Excel, I need to go to the Data ribbon, go to the Get Data button on the far left, then select File and select PDF. From the File navigation window, I can choose the 77 Gracechurch Street PDF. This will bring up a navigator listing all the pages in the PDF. I want page 12. On the right, you can see the tenancy schedule. Looking good so far. But before I load the data into Excel, I want to tidy it up a bit. So I select the Transform Data button. This will open the Power Query Editor. The data type for total area is defined as text, probably because there is a small dash in row 10 of this column. Right mouse click on total area, select Change Type and choose Whole Number. The data type for lease start has also been read as text, probably because the dash used in row 23 of this column. Right mouse click on lease start, select Change Type and choose Date. Next to some of the break option dates, there is an M or T in brackets. This indicates whether the date is mutual or just a tenant break option. I want to split the date and the letter into separate columns. Right-click on the column header, go to Split Column and select by Delimiter. Since the date and letter are separated by a single space, select Space from the drop-down list and then select OK. Splitting the column has also enabled me to change the break option to the Date data type. I've also changed the lease expiry to the Date data type. Using the same method, I've also changed the current rent per annum and rent per square foot to the Currency data type. Now select the Close and Load button in the top left and it will add your clean tenancy schedule to a new Excel worksheet. You can go ahead with your newly imported tenancy schedule and continue creating your real estate financial model.